Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to download your dedicated software for Endgame Gear OP1. Let's begin. So, downloading the software is really easy. All you want to do is just go to any kind of web application, for me it's just Google Chrome, and start typing. I will go for Endgame Gear. You can add software, I almost know how to write, or application, it doesn't really matter. But as you can see, we should see official Endgame Gear site. So now I will go to these downloads. We can go personalize and we can disable the cookies basically, but I can go with LA cookies. So this is our mouse, so I will go to see downloads. We can scroll down because download is probably here, so you have to accept the terms of this agreement and we can download the application. So we can just hit save and this will basically input us into the downloads folder. I will activate this application via shortcut here. Now, Windows protected our PC from that, it's very common to see that. We want to go to more info and run anyway. So now our firmware is basically downloading and we need to wait for it to stop downloading. So now I will pause the recording and we'll see you after it's done. But before we do that, I want to make sure, you want to click update firmware first, and now it will install the firmware, so yeah, sorry for that. Okay, so as you can see, our firmware version is updated and up to date, so we can now close this. And now we want to go to configuration software. I didn't really mention it before, but technically you could skip this process, but if you would ever encounter any issues, I would always recommend to install the firmware first. So now we can scroll down to configuration software. We of course don't read that because whoever reads terms of agreement, right? So now we simply hit download, we hit save, and we can go to configuration tool. And now we are in our configuration tool. So yeah, that's cool. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.